Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to snap to grid. So first you need to active for grid. You can go to edit, click preference and go to sketcher, click on grid. So in here will check for the grid option and you can uncheck for grid auto spacings and we set for the grid spacings 100 millimeter. Now you can click OK to apply. And we can go to parametric body, create new sketch, and the next I will use the top plane. Now you can scroll up, will be show for the grid here. If you want to snap to grid, you can go to sketch edit, click on drop down menu, and then check for snap to grid. You can click offset to apply and use the polyline tools as example, and you can click here to click on the grid. I will move into here to the bottom, and that's it for basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to snap to grid.